Bedlam and Metro Structural. We own our actions, and we own our destiny.
Bedlam decided to join with Groundworks. Number one was because of what they do for their people. It made me and my wife really excited that we could give more back to our employees through what Groundworks had to offer.
The moment we met Matt was the light bulb moment for us. We knew we were talking to the right people. We realized the resources that they had behind them, and it was nothing like we had ever seen before. The opportunities that lay ahead for our employees are awesome.
I think Groundworks is going to be able to bring to the table the tools that we're going to need for our company to expand and grow big.
Groundworks brings an unlimited amount of resources to our company for our employees, for our software, for our product, and for our tools. It gives our employees the best of everything.
I'm really excited about the new products to have access to.
Having the software to be able to provide our estimate right there on the spot.
All of the knowledge from the engineering, manufacturing, that's going to be huge for us.
To have a billion-dollar company come into Oklahoma is going to change the way people perceive this industry.
Groundworks is going to give us the opportunity to have more resources in our office, to answer customers more quickly, get them on the schedule more quickly.
We'll be able to better serve our customers with a better quality product, a better delivery, and ultimately more satisfied customers across Oklahoma.
With the expertise of these three brands coming together, their local understanding of the marketplace, the soil conditions, the local communities, coupled with our resources, development, capital, and marketing expertise, we're going to dominate in Oklahoma. The Groundworks pledge to the men and women of Bedlam and Metro is simple. We will support you, we will invest in you, and we will treat you like the owners that you now are.
Now every employee at Bedlam is an owner at Groundworks.
Partnership with Groundworks will help each employee, bring more benefits to them for their families that Metro just wasn't able to provide without their help.
Every employee will be able to share in the profit not only of your job, but also of the new company with Groundworks.
We're not fighting over Oklahoma, we're taking it over together.
Uniting Metro and Bedlam will just strengthen our forces.
A unified team that will now be able to serve not only just Tulsa or just Stillwater, but the entire state.
We really give Oklahoma what they deserve in a foundation repair company.
We're able to own what happens, and it's on us to take it to the next level.
We just want to dominate and take charge.
Metro and Bedlam are bringing 64 years of experience under the Groundworks flag to keep growing our legacy that we've built and worked so hard for.
Partnering with Bedlam, it just makes our company that much bigger. Our family just doubled in size, and we look forward to partnering with Groundworks and what the future is going to bring.